Nicolaus Copernicus Monument, Warsaw, Poland. The Holy Cross Church in Warsaw is one of the most significant and historically important churches in Poland.
And this is the Warsaw University, the main campus.
But actually, the buildings are
Main
campus.
Main campus, yes, but they have also a lot of additional buildings.
All across Warsaw, actually.
All around.
Even to the south of where we live.
The Church of the Visitation of the Blessed Virgin Mary is a notable Baroque church located in Warsaw, Poland. The Raffles Europejski Warsaw is one of the most luxurious and iconic hotels in Poland, located in the heart of Warsaw.
Frederick Chopin and some places connected with him, and you can press here and it should be playing. Yeah, it's playing. So there are like a few benches across, like along this street, and also there's some places. Yeah.
The Presidential Palace in Warsaw, Poland, is one of the most iconic buildings in the city. The current building was constructed in 1660 as a palace for the noble family of the Sieniowski. The Presidential Palace is an imposing example of neoclassical architecture. Krakowski Przedmieście is one of the most famous and historic streets in Warsaw, Poland. Historically, Krakowski Przedmieście was not only a thoroughfare, but also a place of social and political life. The Jesuit Church in Warsaw, officially known as the Church of the Gracious Mother of God, is an important Baroque church located in the heart of Warsaw. Warsaw's Old Town is the historic heart of the Polish capital and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Warsaw's Old Town is a beautiful and historic part of the city that offers visitors a chance to experience the rich cultural heritage and resilience of the Polish people.
What is the population of Warsaw? 2 million officially, more or less. We can go here, or there is also like a ramp, but it's longer way. So I don't know what you prefer. No, I think it's better. This is shorter way, but you need to take steps, and there you don't have to take steps, but it's a longer way.
The Vistula River is the longest and most important river in Poland. The river runs through the heart of the city, dividing it into two parts. The left bank, which includes the historic Old Town and central districts, and the right bank, home to newer residential and business areas.
As you can see, some viewing terrace.
Library of Warsaw University.
Rooftop garden. Rooftop garden? Yes, rooftop garden and something like that.
So this is marinated. No, it's called ceviche. It comes from Peru. The recipe originally. It's very popular in Latin America. It's fish marinated in lemon, lime, and orange juice. This is halibut fish. Avocado, red onions, cilantro or coriander leaves, cocktail tomatoes, and chilies. I think that's it. Is it spicy enough?
Yes. Quite fun.